Hello there again, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. What we have here is the Great Britain Pound US dollar, the 1 hour chart, and under the Binary Options Academy I would like to discuss here how to use the stochastic indicator, one of the most famous and popular indicators for trading not only binary options but for trading in general, any kind of financial product. Now let's write on the screen where we are here, FairBinaryOptions.com, and again we are looking at adding a new mini educational series on our Binary Options Academy, how to trade binary options with a stochastic indicator. First of all, it should be mentioned that the stochastic indicator, it is a momentum indicator. It means that it shows you the direction, the changes in direction that the market have the tendency to do each and every time. Of course that when you trade binary options you need to put an expiration date near to your forecast, and that should be filtered or mitigated with the time frame. If you choose a 5-minute chart or the 4-hour chart or the daily chart and the entry signal is based on those time frames, then of course that you have to take into consideration a bigger expiration date if the time frame is more than, let's say, 4-hour chart or even the 1-hour chart. But if you choose the lower expiration date, then you should go and take a look at the 5-minute chart or even the 1-minute chart. As you can see, you have also the possibility to trade the 1-minute chart. Now coming back to this chart, this is the Great Britain Pound US dollar, the 1-hour chart, and under the Add Indicators tab, if you go on the momentum indicators, then here scrolling down, and we should go all the way down to the letter S, and we have the stochastic here. There are a lot of other indicators offered by the J4X, in the sense that this is the stochastic, but then you have the stochastic fast that uses a faster period, let's say another line for signaling a possible entry, and the stochastic with the relative strength index, which is just to look a special indicator to look at the crosses between the two indicators, and that should provide a classical entry. Nevertheless, we should look at the stochastic, and if you drag it, click, and if you drag it all the way to the outside like this, basically splitting the screen into two different parts, you have the indicator applied on the screen. Now it should be mentioned that the stochastic comes with the default setting of 20 and 80, and it is coming with two lines. One is the blue line and the other one is the yellow line. The blue line is the slow, the stochastic slow, and the green line is the stochastic fast. It means that you should look for the green line to offer the signal, because that one is the one that is going to cross above the blue line when a bearish trend is about to start, and the other one is or the same line is crossing below the blue line when a bullish trend is about to start. Then of course the 80 territory or the 80 period is considered to be the overbought, so we should sell or we should buy put options, and the 20 period is considered to be the oversold, so we should buy or actually to go and buy call options. Again, depending on the time frame that you are looking here, you may choose the expiration date. Now, what should a trader look for as a signal? To look as a signal into the overbought territory, to wait for the green line to cross above the blue line, and that should be a nice place to go and buy put options on the pair. And then you wait for the oscillator to travel into the other territory, into the oversold territory, for, let's say, trying to find out a possible place to go and buy call options. Now, concrete examples I would like to show you on the next on the second part of this project. As you can see, the oscillator travels all over the place. It means that we need to filter somehow these signals, because if you go and buy call options when the market is here, then you have no chance, because you're going to be stopped out definitely, or your option would expire out of the money, as the indicator travels a lot, price travels on nothing at all, and just like that your option is in jeopardy. Now let's try to see some examples, and then we'll move on.